Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install this gorgeous hair from Luvme Hair Company. By the way guys, today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. Thank you so much Luvme Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. Oh my goodness guys, I'm really obsessed with this hair. It is giving sophisticated businesswoman. Period. It's giving classiness. Yeah, like I'm so obsessed with this hair guys. The color of this hair, it matches so well with my skin tone. Oh my goodness guys, I love everything about this wig. I am really excited. So please do check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous hair from Luvme Hair Company. So without any further ado baby, let's get straight into today's video. So I'm quickly going to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. So this is their box. It is lovely. I love the purple and gold situation that is going on here. I love the bow situation as well. I'm just obsessed with their packaging guys. So let me show you guys what is inside. So they were kind enough to send me this Luvme Hair makeup bag, a Luvme Hair bag. It is a wig storage. I love it. Look at that, so cool. They also send me a brush, an edge brush, a pair of gorgeous lashes, and an eyebrow brush as well. And they were also kind enough to send me this user's guide with instructions on how to take care of your wig. So now onto the hair. The hair is dark plum and baby. It is doing what it's supposed to be doing. Look at the color. Oh my goodness, look at the nice curls. It is gorgeous. The packaging guys, the packaging, okay, 10 out of 10. All right, so this is how the wig looks inside you guys. It is a 5x5 teapot closure wig. So this is how the lace looks, and inside it has 4 combs. So it also has an extra band since this is a glueless wig, and 2 adjustable straps over here, so that your wig can be nice and secured. And let's get into the color, the quality, the shiny part of the wig. Luvme Hair, come on, look at the color. Like you guys, like it pops. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? Look at the curls. The waves are really nice and bouncy. The wig moves when I shake it. Okay, that's when you know that we are dealing with quality. I'm obsessed. I'm really obsessed with this color. I cannot wait to show you this color on my skin. All right, period. So as usual guys, this video is self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch and enjoy this installation process. If you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous wig, please do check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links, period. Okay, let's get straight into today's video.
More than I knew, I was all up in you. If I just could find the words to say, you're on my mind, why can't you stay? If that's the truth, more than I knew, I was all up in you. If I just could turn back the time, and we could go back to what we left behind. And baby, I would do whatever for you. Listen, I will tell you what we could do. Oh, you know we could've walked on the moon, but I'm standing where you left me. shining star. If that's so true, more than I knew, I was all up being you. I'm here alone, yeah, on my own. Somehow I'm still alive, yeah, I survived. If that's so true, more than I knew, I was so up being you. If I just could turn back the time, and we could go back to what we left behind. And baby, I would do whatever for you. Listen, I would tell you what we could do.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at Curly Memes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous hair from Luvme Hair Company. Until next time, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye bye.